fantastic for listeners and viewers like me is to see, even in the gestures, you know, the way you act with each other, is the kind of deep trust in each other. Well, I could speak of love between each other, but anyway, in terms of job, is really the deep trust there is between the two when you are moving along the same lines, perhaps not always understanding the same way, but you are really on the same track. So, and I think that's also very comforting for the viewer, because there is something which is very human about it. You are not coming with a big picture, a big theory, applying the theory to everything and saying, this is it. No, on the contrary, you allow things to move, to change, to evolve. And I think that's really important in the type of work you do.